Have you ever felt stressed in your life? Of course you have. We all have. I'm Les Raymond with the Mindful Movement, and I'm here to tell you today that you have a tool built in that you carry with you all the time that allows you to practice getting better at responding to the stressful things that are imposed on you. That is a very powerful concept. The tool I'm referring to is meditation. And if you're new to meditation, we would like to be a part of your journey of self-discovery to see what it can do for you. There are countless benefits to meditation, but one is just getting better at managing the stress that we experience in our life, which we all experience. It's going to be impossible to go through life and avoid stressful experiences. But meditation is a tool that with practice allows you to change the way that you respond to stress. It can make you just generally more relaxed and not so quick to get caught up in the stressors that are imposed on us. So just like when you go to the gym and you lift weights, you become stronger. Now when you're out of the gym, you are stronger, even though you're not still in the gym lifting weights. Well, meditation's like that also, just with any practice. As you practice, you become stronger at it. So in meditation, maybe you become more relaxed. So even when you're not meditating, you are now more relaxed. Very powerful tool. And like I said, we would love to help facilitate your journey in discovering what it can do for you. So we're going to link to a video right here. You could press that button, and that's going to be a short guided meditation. Sarah will take you on a brief journey to just experience what meditation can do for you. So let us know what you think of that, and I hope you find this video valuable, and I hope you have a great day.